If you want to remove objects from photos on iPhone 17, then first of all we can go to the Photos app, and in the library we can choose the photo that we wish to customize, to edit a little bit. Then we're going to tap on these three sliders at the bottom of the screen in order to edit our photo, and you want to choose Cleanup. You need to have the latest iOS in order to be able to use the Cleanup option. And of course, your iPhone must be compatible with the newest versions. So, once you choose this option, there is a chance that you will immediately see highlighted elements of the photo. That might be like a suggestion for removing objects. So you can immediately tap on these objects in order to try to get rid of them. But of course, you can still tap, brush, or circle whatever you want to remove. So let's say I'm gonna try to remove this car toy over here. Let's try to select it. There we go. And technically it is removed. Of course, we can try to fix this further if there are some things left after removing. So let's see if we can actually fix that a little bit. I think it looks pretty good now. So now we can press down in the upper right corner once you are done with editing. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.